Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. So this week I have been itching for a protective style. So I wanted a nice fall winter crochet look so I could put my hair up. Your girl's been working out. Y'all know how I do when I get ready for my protective styles. Is 9 times out of 10 I'm tired of doing my hair from these workouts, okay? If you are new to my channel, I do a lot of main concept reviews just because I love the hair so much. If you want to see some of the other reviews that I've done for the main concept, I will link those down in the comments below. So this hair review is also coming from the main concepts, and I am going to be reviewing the Aruba Soft Deep Wave Hair. So of course, this is in their Caribbean collection. So if you're planning on going on vacation or anything like that, this should be giving you some life. This is really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna show you guys. See how that sheen is like a natural sheen? It's not like super shiny. This is like perfect. The hair is so soft, by the way. Yes, so I'm already loving the texture. The texture does feel very natural. The benefits is it is soft human-like texture, finger comb friendly, fuller natural hair, lightweight and easy combing and styling. So this hair from the main concept boasts to have texture that feels just like your own natural hair, and I can say just by feeling it, it feels very soft. And so I recently did a poll on Instagram and I wanted to know if you guys wanted to see more braidless styles from me. So I decided to do a braidless style because all my other crochet styles on my channel have been with some type of cornrows. So if you want to see how I prep my hair for cornrows, then I will link those other videos below so you can review those. But this particular style, we're going to do it braidless, honey. So for those of you who don't know how to braid, go ahead and get your notebook out, honey, because I'm going to be giving you step-by-step tips on how to get a beautiful braidless crochet. All right, so first, I have already slicked my hair down, but I'm going to show you guys what I used. I used the Edge Booster. This is their Stronghold Styling Gel. Now, I highly recommend a Stronghold gel. You can use Eco Style gel. You can use any type of gel that you know is going to slick that hair down, honey. You want it to be slicked down. So I already slicked my hair into a ponytail, and that's how it's looking. Y'all see that? This is slick. All right, so in the back, I just kind of wrap those braids around like a cinnamon roll. And the reason I say a cinnamon roll is you actually want your bun to be flat. So I try to get it as flat to my head as possible. Then I just use the bobby pins to pin the bun in place. Now you want to use maybe a couple of bobby pins because you want it to be secure. You do not want this to move in any way in the back. So I probably use about 4 altogether, but you can use more depending on what your hair needs. You don't want that bun to move because we are not going to be touching this style anymore while it's in this crochet. All right, so the hair pretty much is pre-separated into smaller pieces, which is really good. It's a pretty good size pre-separated. You can put it in like this if you want, or you can separate it. I separated these pieces. Now, normally when I get closer to the top, I do smaller pieces and bigger pieces in the back so that we can feel it better. So let's go ahead and install these. I like to start up under my ponytail and crochet the hair in that way. So when I do get to the actual ponytail, I just crochet, or it's easier to crochet around it with the hair coming from the top. Pull that through. And because this hair is wavier, I'm gonna loop this 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want it to be secure because I am going to be doing some workouts, and that's how one looks. Just going to install these pieces all around my head, alternating between small, big, and large pieces just until I can feel up at the top. Now, I did want to make note that once you get closer to the crown area, this is where you really want to put the bulk of your hair so you can make sure that you cover up any remaining bun. Now we're getting closer to the end. So now I'm going to take one section of hair and I'm going to split it up 4 times, okay? Because once we get closer to that parting space, we want that to look as natural as possible. Again, I'm going to show you that knotless method towards the front. I'm going to take it, loop it in. Make sure your hair is even when you loop it through. Once I loop it in, I want to make sure that the hair is even on the ends. Then I want to separate it. Just like that. Then pull it through that loop. And that's your knotless crochet. Okay, now the hair is super long because I did not cut it before I installed it. So I'm just gonna go in and cut it to frame my face basically. You always want to make sure you cut it so that it fits your face shape. So I'm just gonna add a few layers and cut some shape into it, and that's it. Okay, so I just cut it. Now I'm gonna go in with my TGIN Rose Water Mousse. I can't find my Lotta Body Mousse. It's around here somewhere, but I'm gonna use this one just to kind of pull additional hairs out because this kind of helps detangle the hair. And not only does it detangle, but it's gonna give it a nice hold. Oh, I love how this stuff smells. Jesus, it smells like heaven. It smells so good. Okay, now you can completely leave your hair like it is, but I decided to tease my hair at the roots, especially around the parting space, just to make this a little bit more natural. I'm just gonna go around the parting space and give it that volume that it needs. And of course, as you can see, it's literally starting to look more natural as we tease it through. Okay guys, so I am back and I have my hair completely installed. My hair is looking very, very good. This wave is absolutely stunning, guys. Y'all see this? Ooh, girl. So let's go ahead and get into my final thoughts. Okay, as always, I like to tell you guys how many packs I use. I use 6.5 packs. That's not terrible. Because this is a looser wave hair. So be mindful, the kinkier the hair, the more volume it is, so it's gonna take up space. The wavier the hair is, the more packs you're gonna need. So for me, in my head, it was 6.5. For me to get the full look that I actually wanted. Now you can go thinner than me, you can go thicker than me, but that's just the ballpark range of what I used. And I showed you guys how much was in a pack. The bundles were really, they weren't that big. So that could possibly be why I used 6.5. It's a pretty decent bundle once they're installed and separated. It came out really, really cute. Do y'all see? I am feeling myself. Child, this is so cute. So right now, this hair is retailing for $5.50 a pack. So on Divas Tress, I'm on Divas Tress right now. It's $5.50, $5.99 on Shop Beauty Depot, $5.50 on Hair Stop and Shop. So it's around that $5 price point, right at $6, which is actually really, really good for the texture that you're getting. So, do I think that this hair is worth the money? Heck yes. We're talking maybe $35 plus tax, give or take, and you get this bomb look. Let the hair speak for itself. Girl. Of course, with all of my crochet hair, I am gonna do a wear test, okay? So I love to come back and give you guys like my review after I get to wear the hair a few times. I'll come back in a couple weeks or so and give you guys my thoughts on how the hair actually wears. Right now, it's holding up pretty good and I ain't mad at it. You know what I'm saying? I really, 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 really like this. Y'all just keep surprising me. You can look at it for yourself. I don't even have to hype this up. You can look at it for yourself and tell that it's money in the bank. $5.50 to be exact. So if you want to check this out for yourself, you can check it out at your local beauty supply stores or any of the online beauty supply stores that you currently shop at. I've listed so many of them, but I will also link it down below where you can purchase it for yourself. As far as this review, this is over, honey. Like, I'm feeling myself. I'm cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know that you guys have joined the family. I appreciate all the love. Also, if you want to keep up with your girl on IG, follow me at @just_DJ. Thank you guys for showing up, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Mwah! Bye.